Are you looking for a very quick lunch or dinner recipe to make at home? Welcome, because you are at the right place. This is very easy and healthy recipe, and it is made out of ripe plantains, chicken breast, some mushroom and some mixed veggie. It is very healthy, and it's something that you will love to do because it is very tasty and it looks delicious as well. So welcome back. We are going to be using some few ingredients, and these ingredients consist of some ripe plantain, some chicken breast, some bell pepper, onions, 2 spoons of tomato paste, mushroom, garlic, salt, black pepper, green onions, and some parsley, you guys. So yeah, this is me peeling the ripe plantain, and when I'm done peeling this ripe plantain, I'm going to be slicing it, you guys. And you can always slice it the way you want it to look. For me, I wanted it to look like this, and you can do it like this, or you can make it bigger or even smaller. Your preference is very important, you guys. So this is me slicing it. So welcome back to Patience Cooking, and if you're new here, please subscribe. And to my all returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. I really appreciate you. So yeah, after this, we are going to be frying this in a hot pan. Make sure your hot oil is very hot before you start frying this, because it's really important. If not, you will get soaked with the oil. So make sure it is very hot. You fry it on both sides until it is golden brown, then you can take it out, and then you know it's ready, you guys. So yeah, it's golden brown, and this is me taking it out of the hot oil. Then we'll go back to the chicken breast and make sure we marinate this. I'm actually marinating this with some black pepper, some spice, some salt, and garlic powder. Then add some olive oil. You can always add some other spices that you're more comfortable with. You know, cooking depends on individuals, and we always have our favorite spices. So you guys, I'm done with this, and I'm going to be stir frying this for like 5 minutes. Make sure all the side of the chicken are well fried and golden brown. Then you know it's ready, and then you take it out. Now my chicken is golden brown and it's ready, and I'm just taking it out, after which I need to fry my mushrooms. I'm also stir frying these mushrooms as well. So stir frying the mushroom, I decided to add some black pepper and some little salt for the taste, because it is important that you make it tasty. So yeah, I just fried this for like 2 to 3 minutes, and it was ready. I took it out also. Then this is me putting some mashed garlics, then stir a bit, and then added some red onions, stir a bit for like a minute, and then I added the bell pepper. So it's actually yellow and red bell pepper that I'm using for this recipe. You can add green pepper as well. So yeah, I'm going to be stirring this for a while before I'm going to be adding some green onions and some parsley for the taste. So I'm going to just add that and stir fry a bit for like 30 seconds. Then I added the tomato paste. Remember, in the ingredients I added this as 2 spoons of tomato paste, and then added a bit of vinegar, because I always love Like, my meal should be very healthy. Vinegar is very good at reducing fat, so I just added that, but that is optional. If you don't want to, you can add a bit of water so that you can have a bit of sauce as well. So I just added all the other ingredients that will stir fry the chicken, the mushrooms, and then mix everything together, and then your recipe is ready. Take a look, you guys. It looks really delicious, and it also tastes delicious. So I went ahead and I added some black pepper, some other seasonings, and some little salt to make sure everything is well tasted. And there it was, looking so yummy and delicious. You guys, try this at home. Let me know how it turned out. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.